Hello everyone, young farmer boy here, and today we are at the Longford ploughing. This is the one where Farmer Phil is at. There's a load of people walking in front of us. So yeah, I'll see ya when we get up there. And also, it won't let me do a live stream, so yeah. So I'll see ya when I get up there. And yes, later on in the video, we will be meeting Farmer Phil. I've met him before, as I said in a lot of my videos. It's a long walk up the field. Yes, we have to walk up the field. Last year he drove a car into the field. Because this year it's like 3 fields. The first field you walk up, the second field is all the tractors and all that. And the third field is for all the tractors that are ploughing. So yeah, you can start to see the tractors up here. So yeah, we're close to the gate now here. So when we get in, I'll turn back on the camera again. This video will probably be split into parts because there'll probably be someone ringing anyway, and that's what cuts the video. So yeah, see you when we get in. So now we are through, and look at all this stuff. Everything here. And later on in the video, we'll go down to Farmer Phil and we might get a little chat with him. Yeah, it's so exciting. The morning he's on the other side. Nancy Ferguson 135. Oh geez, for sale. It is a clean looking tractor, but I can't say the same for the wheels. Yeah, Zetter 3511, 3511, restored by Connie Kiernan. All these. Another Zetter, Leyland, David Brown. Look all the way back there. I know. That tractor there is an 8S. But I asked Ferguson baler. I'd say it's a mulcher, and I don't know what that tractor is, but we'll have a look at it in a few minutes. I like the new one. Here's just the Leyland 245. David Brown 1210. No back window on it.
No window on the back.
How are you? You're blessed.
Oh, look at this yellow Massey. And not every day you see one of them. 2130. And toolbox on the side of it. This is an old Fiat car. All these, like Massey Dawson. Horses. Look at the horses. Horses. C33. Mudguards. That's it every day. I mean, the old Masseys didn't have them. Listen to Ursus. Little seats on the side, that's what you need for the 265. Ursus, okay, it's a 338. Ursus 338. This lad's after starting his, what's it, 20? Yeah, 20. That's what I'd say it is. It's another 135 with a cab. The exciting part is when I get to go to Farmer Phil. I might buy a new jacket as well. See this, guess the car brand, it's all crumpled up. So that's a Ferguson over there. Bell's Kitchen. Lot of games. I'll have a look at the manual, the little guide, and see if I can see Farmer Phil anywhere. Turns out it doesn't actually say it in the yoke. So yeah, hold on a minute. I think I might be able to see Farmer Phil. I think it's in. It mightn't be. If I zoom up to the camera, I might be able to see. See that stall over there? It's beside the Ireland flag. It's being blocked right now. I doubt it's him, but so yeah. When we get moving again, I'll start up the camera. Okay, so we're walking up to this Kun baler. It is a FBP 3135 Intel wrap, which basically Intel wrap, which basically you bale it and you wrap it. When the bale comes out the end, it basically wraps it. And then we have an Amazon. Yeah, it is Amazon. I know by the colour of it. Amazon, isn't it? Oh no, Agrianol sprayer. We have a Kentech post driver and a Kun. What's that? A rower, a windrower. No, that's not. Windrower is the other yoke. That's a tether. Yeah, it'd be a tether. Look at the back of this yoke. It's like it won't even fill the whole camera. It'd be an awful hassle if something went wrong in that. It'd be very dangerous as well. That's another Kun wrap. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, yeah. 7 blades on it. God, 250 gallons.
Daddy, that's bad.
Most people are choosing these dribble tanks now because more safe for the environment. Well, I'd say it is. Manual there. It's Mass Tech and an Abbey slide tanker or something. Oh no, it's a NC. That's not Sadie. Would you go for one of them, Daddy? It's a class as well. All the tractors are in that field over there. There's a class Axion, is it? No, Arion, yeah, 650. Some size of PTO. So, them tyres are really bigger than me. And these are people who have way too much time and are really good at woodwork. But you see, look at the horse, everything. It's an elephant kind of. Yeah, it's an elephant. You turn it that way, it's an elephant. €450 for that. I think that's €195. It's on sink. It's a tree stump. Oh yeah, that's another one. Just look at the horse. Monkey and it's a Scottish, well, Highland cow. Highland? Well, some kind of like. Last year, you probably, well, and some of you might remember, well, if you're in Granard, you probably remember Hamish and Henry.
They actually only have one plough or one.
So, yeah.